Solve the equation for theta and round to 3 decimal places. So we know that tangent of theta equals 5.3, and we also know that theta is going to be between 180 and 270 degrees. So if I just want to keep in mind a visual of what this looks like, that just is not very straight. Between 180 and 270 degrees, which quadrant will that be in? And that is our 180 to 270. That's our third quadrant right there. So we're going to be somewhere in there. Now we get to use our inverse tangent. Because we're looking for the actual angle theta, if we do inverse tangent of 5.3, we will get back an angle measure. So then we just go to our calculator, and because we're working in degrees, make sure you do check your mode to make sure you're in degree. I'm in degrees here, so I'm okay. Inverse tangent button for my calculator right here, it's found beneath the tangent button. So there's my inverse tangent, and then I just type in 5.3, hit enter, well, close that and then hit enter. And here is my angle measure, 79.315. Now you may be asking yourselves or saying to yourselves, wait a second, you said it had to be between 180 and 270, and we're only getting 79 degrees, so we don't think that's right. So what we want to remember is that this 79.315 actually is a reference angle. Remember, reference angles and the actual angles give us the same trig values, so we are going to use that as a reference angle. We know which quadrant it's going to go in, so keep in mind, reference angles always connect to the x-axis. So if I start at the x-axis, I'm going to go about where I think 79 degrees is. I think it's right there. So this is my 79.315. And then the actual angle for theta, remember, angles start over here. I'm going to go all the way over here. I'm at 180 degrees, and we're going to stop right there. This is our angle we're looking for. So theta actually is equal to, we did our 180 right here, plus this 79.315 reference angle. So when we add those together, we get, 259.315 degrees. Now, 259.315 degrees actually is between 180 and 270, so we feel a lot better about that answer. So what you want to remember is that this angle you get back by doing your inverse trig is a reference angle for us. And then we just put the reference angle into the quadrant where they told us the angle was, where it had to be found, and go from there.